Hi, I'm Vladimir from Central Bearing Supplies. I would like to talk about new product from Nes. Nes number 5 Thread Restorer, a special design for tight places. Nes number 5 comes in a good packaging, plastic box. You can see how lovely it sits in the box. Nes number 5 fits inches and metric, self-adjusting for any pitch and size. The cover range from 10 mm to 18 mm. Now I would like to show how this works. Here we have damaged thread. For example, we have Nes5 to repair external threads. We have only limited space. Nes number 5 place tool on the thread as a tighten off by hand, and the blades will find pitch and size themselves as they are self-adjustable to bring your blades upwards to repair damaged thread. Now you can see perfectly. For more information, other demonstration videos of Nes products, you can visit Central Bearing Supplies website.